Miranda here on Kababayan LA. Pero bago po natin siya pakantahin, you have some people that you want to greet.
Yeah, I would like to thank po Pastor Mar Polonia and Tita Lita for coming over. Si Maynila Bar and Resto on Main Street, Carson, Filipino Community in Carson, Tita Romy and Tita Neri, Neris of Neris Bakery and Fast Food, James and Tita Agnes Padilla po for letting us stay in their house, Tita Dave and Tita Ever for accommodating us in Las Vegas, to all those who prayed with me for the success of our US trip, and lastly, thank you po for inviting me in the show.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Tapos na? Kala ko makakatulog ako. Well, thank you so much for saying hi to us. Pagkasikat na sikat ka na, which I'm sure you will be, wag mo kami kakalimutan, ha?
I hope so.
Napakagaling pong kumanta, and if you don't believe me, see for yourself. Ako po si Janelle Song, inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles, leaving you with this song from Kay Miranda. I'll see you again tomorrow.
There's a time for every star to shine.